Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama. Today is a different kind of video. Whew, I'm already out of breath. So today is, as you have been watching my videos, my son is moving out, or moved out. He actually moved out, and his first day in his apartment was yesterday, which was Monday. This video is going to come out probably long after that. But I just wanted to show you how I went through my own pantry and found items that I had stocked up on clearance or from the Dollar Tree that were name brand or something. Excuse me, that I was able to pack him. Let me see. I don't know if I can pick it up. It's not really heavy, but this big box full of food from my own pantry. So obviously I'm going to take him grocery shopping for like the things that you can't stock up on. But so I'm going to show you right now what I have in this box for him. Okay. So I had gotten this, and I don't really show a lot of my grocery hauls. So some of this you might not notice. This I did get from Fry's. It's a Kroger brand, so it's their brand. Excuse me, and it's best by February 27th of 2022. He's a 21-year-old boy. This is not going to make it that long. So these are 8 packs of Velveeta mac and cheese. Just add water and you can go. And I did pick these up for $2.30 on clearance, and they're normally $5.99. And I had picked up 3 of these. And so I had one left, so I gave him that. So again, that's 8. Like all he has to do is put water in it and put it in the microwave. Make room. So I got him that out of my own pantry. I'm trying to figure out how I want to organize this. Sorry. I have a lot of these. We all saw these at Dollar Tree. This is the family size Hershey's Kisses cereal. It is 19.8 ounces. So I put 2 of these in there for him. And we all saw these also, the family size Cinnamon Toast Crunch chocolate churros. This is 1 pound, 3.7 ounces. I put 1 of those in there. I did get these specifically for him not too long ago because I knew he was moving. This is the family size Funfetti cereal by Pillsbury. This is 17 ounces, so there's 2 of these in here. I don't know if you guys like cereal like my family, but we could eat cereal all the time. We are cereal eating people. So I put a lot of those in here for him. So I did pick him up. Okay. Well, I'm sorry. I keep turning my head. I didn't really pick him up anything. Again, it's all stuff that I had gotten previously. So I'm trying to see where I want to go here. So I did pick him up one of these, the 5 snack packs. They're just 1 ounce packs. But I picked him up these because the Dollar Tree, had these. So these aren't really nacho chips, so I'll probably get him a different kind. But I thought that this would be like a cute little thing. If he had some friends over or something, he could be like, hey guys, like, you want some chips and dip? I don't know. So anyways, these are both I got from the Dollar Tree, so I packed these in there for him. He absolutely loves any kind of these Knorr pasta sides. So these I did not get on a clearance or a bargain, but they're $1 each, and I have them all in my pantry all the time. So I picked them, I think I put like 10 of these in here for him. These are so easy. You just add water or milk and throw them in a pan and go. And then I believe I had done like a discount grocery store haul a while ago. And so I go there sometimes still, and they had these Pop Fuego Air Pops, like snack things, hot chili pepper and lime, and they are 0.88 ounces. I got 3, I think it was, for $1, so I put those in there. Excuse me. I put a lot of cans of soup. Nobody wants to see those. Those were not on clearance. I just had them in my pantry. These I had gotten at our Fry's. Actually, this one I did. Okay, so this one we all saw at the Dollar Tree was $1. So this is Starburst Cherry Jello, 3.91 ounces. I like this because, so I was going to put pudding in there, but then I thought, man, you have to have milk and stuff. And yeah, he has a lot of cereal, but what if he's out of milk? He's not going to be able to make this. This is water. He has tap in his water and can just throw it in there and have a quick snack, like sweet treat. So I got him that. And this I had picked up from our Fry's. It's Royal Lime Jello, 59 cents. I paid, and it's normally $1.19. So I picked that up before on clearance. I have several in my pantry. These I picked up at the Dollar Tree. We all know that. But guys, I picked them up for 50 cents each. So these are going to be so easy. They're just the chicken salad crackers. Again, we all see them over there. But again, for a 21-year-old boy, he works 2 jobs. He is not making any huge meals. He'll probably come over here for those. But these he can just grab real quick when he gets home at like 1 o'clock from his serving job in the morning and he's hungry, and just eat it and go. So I got him that. They had at our Fry's, they have often like peanut butter 5 for $5. So I picked him up. Well, again, I didn't pick these up specifically for him because I just picked up 5 of these at once. So this is just gluten-free Kroger peanut butter, 16 ounces. So I put one of those in there because I also stocked up on jelly a while ago at Fry's when it was on sale. So this is just 30 ounces of the Welch's grape jelly, and I got this for $1.19. So peanut butter and jelly, right? Like, if you don't have, what am I thinking? If you don't have bread, you can either put peanut butter and jelly on a spoon and eat it like that, or I plan on picking him up some cracker type things that have a little bit more shelf life than bread. So then he can just put them on crackers, you know. So I'm just trying to think of stuff that has a long shelf life because he's not going to eat at home a whole lot. He's going to more snack, but when he wants a snack, I don't want him, you know, our mother instinct kicks in, like, are they going to eat? Are they going to do this? So I just wanted to make sure. And then I think I might have put this in a haul. I'm not sure, in a Fry's haul. I believe I put 5 of these in his. So there are 2 different flavors. I think there's 3 cherries and 2 tropical punch because tropical punch is my favorite. So I kept more of those. I picked these up for 49 cents and it says they were 99 cents. So we all know what these are, right? They already have the sugar in them. They already have the Kool-Aid in them. I'm going to stop and buy him a pitcher at the Dollar Tree. And we already bought him cups on clearance at Dollar General. So, I mean, he's going to throw it in there. He's going to have a drink. Like, how easy are these? Because if you buy the sugar and then you buy the other, like, he's going to dump it all over the counter. He's probably not going to clean it up. He's going to get ants, and then I'm going to get perturbed. So he's just going to put these. So that is kind of all that's in here. I didn't want to show you absolutely everything because some things are just kind of whatever. But that was just like a little starter pack. He has absolutely nothing in his cupboards right now. So I figured we'll just take this over to him. And again, it is all things that like either doesn't need anything at all or need like water, which he will have at home. Because again, it's just him. So if he buys a gallon of milk, then it's probably going to go bad. If he buys a half gallon, he may go through it so fast and then something else requires milk and he doesn't have any. You know what I mean? So I just wanted to pick up stuff that would just be really quick and easy. He wouldn't have to run out to the store for it, would have a long shelf life, and that a 21-year-old would actually take the effort to cook or actually just place it in a bowl and eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I hope everyone is having an amazing day, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.